You should take like this. Hey, why, bro?
Why? But I don't understand why.
Why, bro?
Why?
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my another vlog. This is my 22nd vlog. So today, the main thing which why I'm doing this vlog at night is because we have a reception party. I can say reception party, you know, because Sir Surajit's wedding reception. He has invited us. Some of us are actually on the way, and I'm still at home, but I will reach in time. I'm just waiting for them to reach the destination where I'm waiting them for. So after that, we'll be moving ahead, but I'm not able to show you all our journey from my home to that place, because I'm alone today, and I'll be riding alone with my scooty. So no one will be taking the video, na? So that's fine, but we'll reach and show you all everything, how the decoration is, what fun we all have together as friends, and how Sar is happy, and like we'll congratulate Sar as well for his married life, and then we'll have so much fun, you know, and then we'll even have food, you know. Food is one of the things why we go to wedding and wedding these receptions and all. If Sir see this video, I think he will think that we are only coming for food. Nothing like that. We'll actually, with genuine heart, will congratulate Sir, and then stay tuned with us. So let's go, guys. We are finally here. See, everyone is here. Handsome boy here. And Pramod, welcome to Rinja. So this is the RR community hall, so we'll be moving ahead. We are here in Rinja, so on our way for the wedding reception. Let's go. Here we are. Wow. Flowers. Some people are having food. So there is a bride and a groom over there so far. And here is our ICFAI teachers enjoying this moment. So how was your journey, bro?
I can feel the smell. I'm so much hungry, but I can't wait for Sir. He's busy over there.
What about you all?
And too much traffic.
Yeah, today actually it was so traffic. Even with scooty also it was so traffic. We are waiting for everyone there to clear up a bit so that we can go and meet Sir and then give him gifts. And here member was enjoying nicely. Saw the gift now in your hand.
Love from the fire.
So right now we are making line here. Even you see, even we have to make line to go and give gifts and talk to Sir. Everywhere line, okay, everywhere line. After them, it will be ours. We are waiting for this line to clear up to go and have a photo with Sir there, and then give him and congratulate him with this gift. So guys, here
Yes, I'm the one cameraman. Wow.
nice to meet you.
Yeah. Okay.
Was working hard. Our president of ICFAI working hard for these girls.
Without any payment.
Wow. Let's see his skills today. Oh. Hi, Pani Puri Chanada. Let's go. Pani Puri. Guys, we are going to try Pani Puri here. Everyone is smiling. Who made this Pani Puri? Okay, let's try. Hey, who? You guys want to eat Pani Puri?
Bang đến rất là
Yeah, make it.
I will take from my plate. Come on.
First taste.
Thank you.
Tao nung try kaila. Bye. Look this side na pa. Now catch for me. Guys, now I will try Pani Puri. First me. So this is in Sir Surajit's wedding reception. Pani Puri first time here. Let's see.
1, 2, 3. Okay, give me a break. Do
My word.
Do me.
The flavor, the juice, you know, it went till the throat.
I want one more.
Let's go more.
Bangas na. Bangas.
You want to eat another?
I like it.
Yeah, it's so tasty, na?
I will do another one.
Another one here.
Yeah, another one.
Thogona, thogona.
Wait now, wait now. I'll get fast. Hey, let's not do too much. We'll get full.
How is it? It's so nice. Thank you so much. Hey, one. Oh, you're taking tea.
Yes, too good.
Oh, you're taking tea. Otherwise, we could film you. Oh, taking my share.
Hey, look.
Thank you. So guys, it's khana time right now, and we are going to take khana here.
And look at this pineapple.
Wow, pineapple
Sweet pineapple.
and pudina chutney. Give me also. No one to handle my camera.
You want more?
Yeah, everything. I like everything.
Give me chocolate, I give more.
Chala. Give chili. Yeah. So today we'll eat chamki. Chamki खाएंगे आज. This is achar. Chili achar.
I like this. You want?
Give me. Let's go for this is.
You want to eat this?
No, I don't want. We'll take rice. Yeah.
one do you like?
This.
Don't embarrass us.
Hey.
Please, no. You're gonna take more?
Yeah. Give everything.
What is this?
Chicken. Thank you, bro. Pork or what? So there are different varieties of this one. Yeah, mutton also you give.
Students again.
Oh, sorry. Mutton.
Your plate. Can you go and take extra one more plate? I'll give it to you.
Wow. No more chairs. Say hi, guys.
Hi, we're good dinner. Dinner, mutton dinner.
So less.
Wow,
Whoa. You should take like this.
look at him!
Mountain.
Hey, why, bro?
Why? But I don't understand why.
Why, bro?
Why?
Anyway, let's have a nice appetite. And thank you, sir. Very sir.
Sorry.
So guys, one of the best thing about wedding receptions are meal, the food. Okay, see, we have taken full, and I don't know how much I'll eat, but I'll eat. So let's give a first try, no? Wow,
How is it?
the dal is so good, yeah. Even the mutton, I guess.
Taste.
He will gain weight 100 kg.
Damn man, it's so good. Guys, it's so good. So guys, be with us. I will finish this full plate and then I will come back to you all. So guys, this is it for today, and we are very much thankful to Sir Surajit. He's over there. He became the celebrity today.
And thank you to me, I eat too much.
Bye, ma.
Say
See you. Have a good night. Sweet dream.
Good night. You have not a helmet. Bye.
Good
See you
night.
guys next time.
So see you guys next time. We had a great fun here, and whoa! Last but not the least, this is one of the thing after food.
I don't know.
Wow.
Mithai wala. Mitapan.
Mithapan. Dumi is making.
Something.
After food and everything, this is the last thing
This
that.
is compulsory though.
Yes, this is compulsory.
And where is Mithai? The one you and your. You want to have something? I want to have this.
I told na, this is the last thing everybody wants before they leave. That's why they keep on the pathway.
How do you make the pan? Make
I'll
it
make
for
the
me.
pan for you all. You want what type of pan you want? Tell me. Mitha pan.
Mita pan. We want,
You want lime?
Jerome's pan.
Lime,
No
lime?
lime.
Lime, na?
No lime.
We'll do mitha pan. This is Jarda.
If you don't know how to make, just see.
I make
What
it
if you
pan.
put this? Just imagine. Masala. Hey, you ate already. Everything. Don't. Just put
No. Just this one and this one.
Why?
Misty pan. Come to Jerome Pan Shop. Come to Jerome Pan Shop. Everybody is welcome.
Co-sponsored by Tamshri. Oh, it's not just you. If you don't know how to make, just see.
I make it pan. So guys, this is it for today. We'll see you next time in my next vlog. So stay tuned for upcoming vlogs. It will be very much interesting. We're going to Kolkata and I'm going to give you all a tour along with me to Kolkata. So do like, share and subscribe, and good night.